Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In looking over my script for a certain scene, I've been sitting at my desk kind of beating my brain, trying to figure out how to construct that particular scene. When this happens, what I do is just get out of the house, walk around my subdivision with my Bolex P2 and look around the area and get some ideas. And therefore, at this time, it has answered yet another question for me, and I'm grateful for that. It gets me out of the house for a while and doing something constructive with my film, you know. And so anyone else who's doing experimental, independent, low budget, no budget motion pictures, that's the way to go. Just get away from it all, from the house for a while, take your camera with you, and figure out that particular scene. Take your script book with you as well. This can definitely help. All right, hope this helps you, fellow filmmakers. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy, and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.